You're welcome to another video on my YouTube channel. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how you can get rid of this error message that says great things are on the horizon. Now, if you try to open the front end of your e-commerce website, the website is actually opening, but you can barely see the product on the site. All you see is just this error message. And this is simply because your WooCommerce is set to be under maintenance. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can make the WooCommerce website live and get rid of this error message. So the first thing is to log into your WordPress admin. If you look right here, you see that your store is set to coming soon. So you want to come under settings, then click on the site visibility tab, and then click on live and then save changes. As soon as you do that, your e-commerce store becomes visible to everyone. So if you come back to your front page and then you try to refresh the page, you can now see your products. Thank you for watching the video. Kindly like and share, and also subscribe to my YouTube channel.